Hey guys, this is Karthik Sivakumar and I am currently pursuing M.Sc Finance in the Jindal School of Banking and Finance. Having had an inquisitiveness towards the world of money, I had done my undergraduation from DGY College, University of Madras. But that was just to fuel my passion, and I knew that I had to cement it into a professional career in finance. And that's why I chose M.Sc Finance one-year course in the Jindal School of Banking and Finance. I knew that this course had a world-class syllabus and the teaching by the professors were pretty seamless for me, that even though it's a one-year course and it demands a lot, I never had a dull day. It was all because of the teaching by the professors and also because of the extracurricular activities that Jindal offers. On the whole, I feel I'm pretty much in a very good institution and I'm pretty sure my career can propel into an exponential growth just because of studying as a Jindalite.